If you are creating a new YouTube channel, so if you post a link in the description, you will see this problem. So how to solve this problem? First of all, you click on the verifier. And he says that one-time verification needed. To make external links clickable and access other advanced features, choose a verification option below. This helps us limit spammers and maintain a safer community for everyone. Number 1 option is use video verification. The second option is use your valid ID. And then third option is build channel history. So I use this option, use your valid ID. Then click on next. And again click on next. And scroll down here, you can reading this page, so I skip this page and click next. And again click on next. Then allow the camera permission. And take a photo of your ID. Then click on submit. Your ID is in review. Google now needs to review your ID. This may take up to 24 hours. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.